Hi there, folks. It's UFO Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to make an out-of-this-world spaghetti and meat sauce dinner. All the ingredients are listed below in the description box, so let's get to it. On low to medium heat, sauté 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of minced carrots, 3/4 cups of minced onions, and 1/2 cup of chopped green pepper. After it's cooked down for about 3 minutes, add in the salt, the pepper, and 1/8 to 1/4 cup of sugar, depending on your preference, and continue to cook for another 2 minutes. Next, brown a pound to 1.5 pounds of hamburger, along with 1/8 cup of oregano and 1/8 cup of basil. While the hamburger is browning, I have a favor to ask. Would you consider subscribing? If you do, be sure to hit the bell notification so you won't miss another episode of UFO Bob. Now that the hamburger is browned, mix in the sauteed ingredients along with a 24-ounce jar of your favorite traditional spaghetti sauce. You can use Ragù. In my case, I'm using an off-brand, and a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Bring it to a slow boil. Then lower the heat and simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half, stirring from time to time. Also, from time to time, taste it. You may want to add a little something extra. In my case, I wanted more salt. While your sauce is simmering, boil and drain your spaghetti. And by the way, make sure to remove the bay leaves from your sauce before you serve the meal. All right, let's see how it tastes. Yeah, now that's Italian. All right, until next time, this is UFO Bob, out.